Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of DXY, and at last we saw some good correction on the chart. And as a result, we saw some recovery on the chart of gold, on the chart of Euro USD, GBP USD, and others. DXY was trying to break this level, but somehow a correction came. Okay, and you can see on the chart that it almost bounced from a Fibonacci 23.6%, and right now it is trying to go up again. So yes, there was some correction, but yes, the overall trend of the market DXY is still intact. Right now standing at 113.33, and we can see that market is still in uptrend. So my dear friends, if you are holding any old buy level of USD or GBP USD, then you must be very careful, because still you do not have a proper good news yet, because right now we can see the DXY is trying to bounce again. So overall the uptrend is still very much intact. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. So DXY almost bounced from the Fibonacci 23.6%, and Euro USD, okay, also reversed. Okay, almost, okay, not fully but almost. And right now standing at 0.9680. This is the current market price here. But as we have already seen on the chart of DXY that yes, there has been a gap. Market did not test the support fully. Okay, so yes, market may come down again, because market did not get support. Market may come down again. Market may show the continuation of the correction. DXY may show continuation of the correction, and as a result we may see upside. Okay, we may see upside continuing, recovery continuing on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, so in that case 0.9780 to 0.9800 will be the next resistance for Euro USD. If you are holding any sell position or buy position, whatever it is, you must be careful and you should plan your trade accordingly. And if you're looking for a new position in the market, and if you see market reversing from this particular level here, you can consider a sell position. 0.9800, 0.9780, this is our next resistance for Euro USD. For additional confirmation, you can also look at the chart of DXY. If you see the DXY is bouncing, Euro USD reversing, and if the level matches, then yes, this will be a very good trade. And if market reverses, yes, you can go for a sell position. And on the other hand, if market goes down, because right now we can see that Euro USD is going down again. So my dear friends, overall the market Euro USD is still in downtrend, and still we do not have any big news to cover the whole story. We do not have any proper news that will bring a complete trend reversal. Okay, so the bad days are still not over for Euro USD. So if Euro USD comes down, then next support will be around 9640. This is the next support for Euro USD. So keep in mind, market is in overall downtrend. Yesterday the correction, the recovery was just temporary part. Okay, so if market bounces from here 0.9640 level, you can take a buy position, but do not expect a trend reversal, because again I'm saying, still we do not have any fundamental factor that will back the uptrend. And in case the sell position continues or the selling pressure continues, then obviously Euro USD will break it, and you should avoid it as well. So as a trader, it's your responsibility to observe the market at each and every level, but you should be aware of the important levels. The main difference between a trader and a gambler is that a trader only trades when the opportunity is right, but a gambler doesn't listen to anyone. And the second support can be around 0.9585 or 0.95 0.80. This is the second support for Euro USD, from where you can expect a bounce. If market bounces, if you see the market coming down to the support and bouncing, if you see market forming a hammer pattern or something like that, you'll get a confirmation that okay, market is somehow trying to take temporary support, and you can go for a buy position. Considering the overall downtrend market, the bounce should be around 20-30 pips at least. If more than that, that will be a bonus. Okay, but considering the yesterday's move and the present trend of Euro USD, okay, if we just focus on the present trend of Euro USD, then I think that unlike previous times, this time there is a chance that if market comes down to this support level, not support level, this previous low level, there is a chance that market may try to form a double bottom or a triple bottom, whatever you call it. Okay, and market may try to bounce again. Okay, so these are the three trading opportunities that I see on the chart right now. But I think out of these three, the previous bottom, this one is the most reliable from where we can expect a bounce, because right now we can see that the selling pressure is reducing. Okay, so yes, there's a possibility that market will be bouncing from the previous low. Okay, and in comparison to this, these two levels are not very reliable, but still we can expect a bounce if the volatility of the market is less. If the selling pressure is not very high enough, we can expect a bounce. But keep in mind, Euro USD is in downtrend, DXY is in uptrend overall. Okay, so please plan your trades accordingly. And as I always say, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Protect the capital. Bye bye. Take care.